Today is Monday, March 7, 2022. I am shorting the S&P 500 via the triple leverage ETF SPXU. I bought it today. If we go to the transactions, if I go to history, you can see my open position there. I currently own 44 shares, but here's the transaction. When I go to history, you can see that I bought 66 shares and then I liquidated 22 shares at the end of the day. Looking at the transactions, that's when I got filled early in the morning when the S&P 500 dropped below 42.80. And then at the end of the day, I liquidated 1/3, take some profits. Just to book some profits, I liquidated 1/3 of my position. Going to the charts, in my previous video on Friday, I specified or I explained that I was looking at the range where you see that green zone and the red zone between 42.90 and 43.90, that 100-point range. I said if it pushes above the upper range, I would go long, and if it dipped below the lower range, I would short. That's exactly what I did today. I got filled when the S&P 500 dropped below 42.80. Let's look at the 5-minute chart so you can see where I got executed. My order got executed where I got filled. To the left side, that's the beginning of the day, March 7th. And when I shorted the S&P 500, that's when it dropped below 42.80 on the first bounce after it dipped below 42.90. And close near the highs, near the lows of the day, at the lows of the day. So after the market closed, I decided to book some profits and liquidate 1/3 of my position. Going back to the daily chart, levels that I'll be watching tomorrow will be where I can see some support around 41, the dash line around 41.70, and way below that around 41.20 and 41.30.